probably seen tons of videos claiming to show you how to turn images into videos for free. But let's be honest, most of those sites are either paid, or if they're free, the quality is so bad it just ruins the whole vibe. And don't even get me started on the massive watermark. It's so big you can't even see your actual video. But today, I'm going to show you the easiest and most honest way to do it. No Gmail, no mobile number, no temp mail, nothing. Just a super clean, totally free, unlimited method that actually works. Let's go.
First, come to Google and search for this website. I will link the site in the description below. This is the interface. Now you need to sign up. But don't worry, you don't need a valid email, you can input any email ID. As you can see, I have input a random email. Then input your password. Hit free sign up. You can see many options, but click on iMage and video to generate iVideos. There are two options. One is text to image, and another is image to video. First, we will generate from prompt. For this example, I have used a prompt which I have already generated in Google View 3. We will compare how they produce the video in the end. So this is my video prompt. Let me first paste it from here. I have already generated this in View 3. Now let me generate in this as well. At first it will generate image. Now once the credit expires, once again sign up with fresh account. Now this time I will show you how you can upload your own video and create animation.